What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to mask find and delete all the duplicate files from OneDrive in two easy ways. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Microsoft account or you can type in Microsoft account slash home. Then you will see the first official website of Microsoft account homes. Click on this website and after that, you will be redirected to the login page or sign up page of Microsoft account homes. Now, after that, if you are new to Microsoft accounts, just simply create your account with your email and password. But if you already have a Microsoft accounts account, you can just simply sign up with that account and then you will be automatically signed up inside Microsoft account. Now, after coming to the Microsoft account on the left side, you can see the app launcher. Click on it once and then click on OneDrive. Now, after clicking on OneDrive, you will be redirected to the OneDrive page where if you are new, you can create a free account by just simply clicking on create a free account. Or if you already have a OneDrive account, simply click on sign in and then you will be automatically signed in to OneDrive. Now, after coming to the homepage of OneDrive, click on My Files on the left side. And after that, you can just sort it based on file size, modification, and the name. This is the first way, but if you can't find the duplicate files from here, you can just type in the search bar at the top, click on that search bar once, and then type in copy and then hit enter. Why write copy? Because basically all the duplicate files have copy in their name. So when you write copy, all your duplicate files will be appear here in the search results for copy section, and then you can delete all those files. So this is how you can mass delete all your duplicate files from OneDrive. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.